Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. To Rituals. Today we got the Yeezy slide right here. It finally came in. This is the shoe box. Yeezy slide. This right here is your tag on the box. So you can see US size 11. On the back side, you got your Adidas branding, of course. Inside, you got your traditional paper here. And then this came with the slides. There was nowhere for them to put it on the slide. So that's what it came with, just like that. And I guess you guys are wondering, what do the slides look like? I've been wearing them already, so let me grab those for you. All right, guys, these are what the slides look like. I got them in the Yeezy Resin color. Base look like a green, military green almost. So nothing really special about the shoe. I'm gonna jump to the on foot portion for you guys so you can see what they look and feel like. But yeah, just want to kind of show you guys the Yeezy Resin. While you're here, please hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos, new videos like these. So I got these Puerto Rican Nikes coming up very soon. Puerto Rican colorway for the country. So with that being said, you guys stay in the loop, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I drop this video. But right now, let's get back to the Yeezy Resins. Very, very dope shoe. With that being said, let's go to the on foot portion. Some of y'all are wondering, how do these feel on feet? So I wear a size 11 in Yeezy 350s. So I got a size 11 in Yeezy slides. But to be honest, I think I probably should have went up a whole size because they don't do half sizes. So I think I should have got a 12. They fit fine. There's really no issue. It's just the initial, when you put your foot in initially, there's a squeeze where it's very tight. So you have to, let me just show you what I'm talking about. I'm trying to put the slide on, as you can see. So you gotta do some wiggle work to get in there. Maybe hold it against the wall, then you slide in there. And once you're in, it's a good fit. So like I said, a little bit of wiggle room, kind of wiggle in there. But once you're in there, it's a really, really good fit, I must admit. And they feel really good on feet. It's not like Boost or anything, but it's almost like a bouncy feel. And then you're sitting up high, because there's a nice, thick, chunky sole right here. And you see the grooves, which are kind of like that trail pattern that are found on some of the NMDs. So they should be really good for walking outside. Haven't really been outside with them on yet, but I can imagine with that trail design on the bottom of the shoe, that should be a really good feel. Matter of fact, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you can see, really good. Almost like a boot. The Yeezy boot that came out actually is exactly like the Yeezy boot, the bottom. So yeah, very good tread on it. No real branding on the shoe. Besides right here, you see some branding right there, the Adidas logo. You got your shoe sticker right here with the size information. Hope you guys can see that. But it's made in China. You got your barcode information, your shoe size, US sizing. And that's it. And then if you look in here, see if you guys can see that. You look in there, you got your Yeezy branding. That's the only Yeezy branding on the entire shoe. And then you got your US size right there, see 11 US. And then it says it's made in China. And that's it. There's no, other than that, those are the only two branding marks. And the inside where you can't see, and then like I said, that Adidas logo with like a slight Resin like bubble on the heel area, I guess for extra comfort. And then you got this little design right here on the back side. But other than that, the slides are very minimal, but I must admit, they feel great. And it's a great shoe. See how I have to wiggle in there? So yeah, if you guys getting these, you might want to go up a size. Like I said, they don't do half sizing, so you might want to go up a size. This is something I do. I put my foot on the wall, wiggle up, and then we're good to go. But yeah, once you're in there, like I said, you're locked in, and they feel great. They feel really, really good on the feet. Really good. So yeah, oh, another thing, if you're wearing these in the house, I recommend not walking on carpet in them. Because of that trail on the bottom side of the shoe, it will leave trail marks in your carpet. Even if you got thick carpet, it'll leave trail marks. So, and if you do that, go take a vacuum and go vacuum up the rug, and it'll kind of get those trail marks out. But you don't want to keep walking on your carpet in these, because eventually you won't be able to vacuum off those trail marks. Like it's really serious. So I wouldn't recommend walking on carpet on these slides. I would just walk on hard surfaces or outdoors. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. Destroy that like button. Let's get this video to 100 likes. I know it's short, simple, to the point, but you know what? Most people, pretty much everybody, should be in the house right now. So this is the perfect time to get you a nice pair of comfortable slides, and I must admit, these are some comfortable slides, so you can't go wrong. So whenever Yeezy Supply or Adidas re-up on these, I recommend you getting you a pair. They're only $55. I think with shipping and everything came out to a little bit, and tax came out to a little bit over 60, maybe like 64. So great pair of slides, priced very, very well. With these, you can actually wear them with other things because they don't have a lot of branding on them. So you may get away with wearing them with some other brands. So with that being said, like I said before, appreciate you guys watching the video. Please hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post more videos. Destroy that like button for your boy. Share a video with a friend. And most importantly, stay in, be safe, treat others the way you want to be treated, care for one another, and we'll get through this together. Let's go. Y'all have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. Peace, love, and we out. And if you're watching Rituals for the first time, just know my videos are based off car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips, you know? So if you're into that sort of things, hit that subscribe button. You won't be disappointed. Got some great content coming in all three areas, so keep it locked in. Let's go.